Here are the best things to do in Aarhus, Denmark. Number 13. Aarhus Old Town. Begin your Aarhus exploration by taking a leisurely stroll through the enchanting cobblestone streets of the Old Town. This open-air museum boasts 75 historical buildings from across Denmark, providing a unique chance to immerse yourself in the country's rich culture and architectural heritage. Witness skilled artisans recreate ancient items with traditional craftsmanship, transporting you back in time. Engage with captivating, lively history reenactments that vividly depict the bustling ambience of the past market towns. While wandering, keep an eye out for the hidden gems, quaint corners, and unexpected nooks adorned with fascinating historical artifacts. Number 12. Mulesteen Street. For a relaxed activity, visit Mulesteen Street, a perfect spot for anyone who loves exploring downtown areas. Take a leisurely walk along this charming street, admiring the crooked cobblestones and pastel-colored homes that ooze a picturesque ambience. Feel the sense of tranquility as you meander through the historical alleys. As you continue your exploration, soak in the beauty of its well-preserved architecture dating back to the 1700s. Marvel at the quaint facades that offer a glimpse into the city's rich history. Venture through the vibrant Latin Quarter and fully immerse yourself in the moment. You can also engage with the locals at cozy cafes, browse through boutiques filled with unique finds, and absorb the lively atmosphere around you. Number 11. Musko Museum. Visit Musko Museum to explore Denmark's largest archaeological and ethnographic collection. Discover meticulously curated exhibits that showcase the latest research and cutting-edge technology. Each artifact within these hallowed halls narrates a dramatic tale of human history and culture deeply embedded in their design. Engage with the captivating displays, gaining valuable insights into ancient civilizations and their way of life. Don't miss the chance to participate in guided tours where expert storytellers bring the past to life with passion and knowledge. In addition, capture the essence of diverse cultures and their legacies by participating in educational programs suitable for all ages. Number 10. Marselisborg Deer Park. Escape to the Marselisborg Deer Park for an exceptional outdoor adventure and a chance to enjoy wildlife wonders. Nestled in the northern part of Marselisborg forests, this 54-acre enclosed woodland area provides an extraordinary outdoor adventure. The park's preservation is a labor of love by dedicated Aarhus community volunteers who work tirelessly to maintain the pristine environment. Their efforts ensure a peaceful haven for these magnificent animals and create an unforgettable experience for visitors. You'll experience a tranquil atmosphere as you wander freely through the serene landscape, where deer roam undisturbed, presenting a unique chance for up-close wildlife observation. Marvel at the graceful movements of these lovely creatures and soak up the beautiful surroundings. Number 9. Latin Quarter. Make your way to Aarhus's Latin Quarter, the city's oldest and most charming district. This place is a cultural hub with adorable streets and beautiful old houses that will take you back in time. You've got to hang out here, as it's got a buzzing nightlife scene with loads of bars, cafes, and boutiques to choose from. It's such a perfect spot to just chill and admire the striking Scandinavian architecture all around you. And here's a tip, the culinary scene here is top-notch. So make sure not to miss out on the mouth-watering treats and unique flavors that this neighborhood has to offer. Number 8. Aarhus Viking Museum. If you're interested in Viking history and Danish culture, Aarhus Viking Museum is the right place to be. This underground museum offers a unique experience that takes you back 1,200 years to the Viking town of ARoS. Discover ancient artifacts, archaeological discoveries, and exhibitions that bring to life the rich Nordic traditions and the medieval town of the Vikings. While you're there, uncover the fascinating world of these ancient civilizations and gain a deeper understanding of Scandinavian heritage. To make the most of your visit, join guided tours to learn more from experts and participate in workshops to try your hand at traditional Viking crafts. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Aarhus experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 7. Strøget. When in Aarhus, don't miss checking out Strøget, the city's awesome high street. It's the place to be for all you shopaholics out there. Whether you're a local looking for the latest trends or a tourist seeking unique finds, Strøget won't disappoint. This pedestrian-friendly street spans a whopping 2,800 feet and is packed with cool shops and boutiques that'll make your shopping dreams come true. take a relaxed stroll through the lively city center and associate with friendly locals who are more than happy to share insights about their city and way of life. Number 6. ARoS Aarhus Art Museum. As you further explore the enchanting city of Aarhus, ensure to visit the ARoS Aarhus Art Museum in your itinerary for an unforgettable cultural experience. This historic museum, dating back to 1859, holds the distinction of being the oldest public art museum outside of Copenhagen. Its size alone is awe-inspiring, making it one of Northern Europe's largest museums. When you step inside, prepare to be mesmerized by the engrossing rooftop artwork featuring colorful rainbow panels that create a lovely atmosphere. Wander through its expansive galleries and witness an incredible collection of art, from remarkable paintings to awe-inspiring sculptures and thought-provoking installations. Number 5. Marselisborg Palace. Get ready for an absolute blast at Marselisborg Palace in Aarhus. This place is a fantastic gem with its outstanding architecture and beautiful gardens. It's been the summer and Christmas home of Queen Margrethe II since 1967, so you know you're stepping into some serious royal history. Once you're there, you'll feel like you've been transported to a whole new world. The palace's majestic halls and regal vibes make you feel like you're royalty yourself. And don't forget to explore the gardens. They're like a magical oasis, a paradise for nature lovers. Take your time exploring every nook and cranny of this regal residence. Feel the grandeur, the history, and the charm that surrounds you. Number 4. Aarhus Cathedral. Looking for a top attraction that perfectly blends history and striking beauty? Consider visiting Aarhus Cathedral. Measuring a remarkable 305 feet in length, this historic church is the country's longest and tallest, built between the 1130s and 1250s in the Romanesque style. Explore the impressive architecture and intricate religious artwork on display, immersing yourself in centuries of religious heritage. Step inside to discover sacred iconography and soak up the atmosphere of this sacred place. With its rich cultural legacy, the cathedral stands as a testament to Denmark's past and a symbol of faith for locals and visitors alike. And if you're lucky enough to coincide with any of its services, you can join in and experience the spiritual atmosphere firsthand. Number 3. Day trip to Ebeltoft. Venture out and go on a day trip to Ebeltoft, a charming coastal town just 45 minutes away from Aarhus. Wander through cobblestone streets flanked by colorful houses and appreciate the town's rich artistic heritage. Ebeltoft's tranquil ambience and natural beauty make it a perfect destination for those seeking a break from the urban bustle. Take a stroll along the serene coastline, enjoying the calming sea breeze and perhaps indulging in a relaxing beach picnic. Admire the picturesque architecture of the iconic Ebeltoft Town Hall and the historic frigate Ulan warship. Also, don't miss the chance to experience the unique Ebeltoft Glass Museum, which showcases appealing glass art from various eras. Number 2. Day trip to Mols Bjerge National Park. Embark on another day trip at Mols Bjerge National Park and revel in the marvels of nature. Just a short distance from Aarhus, this vast nature reserve spanning 69 square miles offers an abundance of outdoor adventures for all. Explore the picturesque trails leading to the attraction and take in the majestic landscapes along the way. Make sure to keep an eye out for fascinating wildlife, making your journey even more memorable. Remember to pack a delightful picnic to indulge in a serene and satisfying meal amidst nature's tranquility. If birdwatching is your thing, you'll be delighted by the diverse array of species in their natural habitat. You can also opt for guided tours to gain deeper insights into the park's environmental conservation efforts. Number 1. Iceberg Aarhus. Your Aarhus adventure might not be complete without experiencing the irresistible beauty of the Iceberg Aarhus. As you visit this appealing 208 apartment building standing gracefully on the waterfront, make sure to take in the sweeping views it offers. Marvel at its design inspired by floating Arctic icebergs, showcasing jagged edges and blue glass balconies. Appreciate the elegant exterior dressed in white terrazzo and adorned with striking blue glass balconies mirroring the azure waters. Take time to explore the 4 L-shaped wings, providing various captivating views from each apartment and allowing ample sunlight to reach the lower floors, creating a dynamic ambience. Click here for more things to do in Denmark.